I started at the university to study Yiddish with my professor and friend Alex Derzhansky, who was a professor at the School of Oriental Languages, and we were very, very few students. So it was absolutely marvelous to learn and to study and to teach with this man who came from Strasbourg, and his parents came from Vilna. So I learned a lot with him. For example, we read like a Talmudic reading, Weinreich story of the Yiddish language, and we just start to read this book, and each page he had very important comments, and we become very friends. And due to this encounter and this study, and I met a lot of people involved in Yiddish, either in the community or in the academic world. And I started to study more deeply. I went to Oxford. I discovered the rich Bodleian library collection. I was absolutely amazed to see this, all these books, old Yiddish books. I started to translate the Zehner into French. So it was my first, it was a way to learn the language, and also to see the sources, and to start to really to work in this field, Old Yiddish literature and language.